Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are with the Stag. We're doing the spring job. I hit a pothole and it went bang. Coming back from Ripley Castle classic car show. So let's get on with it. I'll show you the best way to do it. Undo this one first, so you don't have to compress the spring or anything like that anymore. And then that'll take the spring load out of it. Okay, this is the good side one. You always have to replace a pair of them, not just the one spring. So we'll compress that. Just like that. That should come out now, that. So the spring's compressed now. Leave it on a couple of winds. I'll finish taking that bolt out. It's only held in with 4 bolts around the back. Well, there's a difference in springs. These must be lowered. Surely it hasn't dropped there, but they compressed it that much. Look. Right, as you can see in this car, that's where the tyre's been catching there. Have to put some, just gone down through the metal. It's get yourself a bungee to hold this up for now. Right. Let's get the spring compressors out. Now don't be scared of the spring compressor. I'll show you the best way to do it. Right guys, that's just about done. So if you do it, bang and bang and just lay it flat like that. I've had to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them to compress them. We're nearly right up as well. So these are quite strong springs. Right. That's the hardest part of the job. Well, here we are with the Stag. We're getting some new tyres and the proper size ones as well. Oh yeah, check this out. As you can see, all new springs on in the car now. It's going to look weird seeing these tyres on, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know they're the correct ones, but for me,
I was going to specify.
I like the big fat juicy ones, you know what I mean?
It's going to look very clean and you're not going to be 100% happy with it.
Right guys and girls, that's what it looks like now. The BF Woodbridge tyres taken off. These are the correct size. Brand new tyres, 195, 70 14s I've gone for. The GT radials. And now this is what it looks like. Going to the classic car show tomorrow at Stokesley, so you can catch me. The car is for sale, so if anyone's interested in it, it's an absolute beauty. Everything's been done on it. Right guys, that's the car completely done, gone right through from clutch, new springs, new shockers all round, front and rear, all the cooling system flushed, fully serviced, all the it starts on the button, boom, has 0 issues. So if there's anyone interested in the car, just DM me and we'll go from there. But the car, honestly guys and girls, is absolutely spot on. So anyway, on that note, see you to pub it out.